with our crispy brown rice, you want to take a saute pan and you want to put about a tablespoon of some high heat oil. This is some leftover brown rice. It's nice and cold. You want to use cold rice because it's going to give you that nice crispy exterior. If you were to use like a freshly cooked hot rice, it's going to turn a little more mushy and it's not going to be as crispy when it cooks. So give it a pat down, and you want to keep this on about a medium to medium low heat. You're just going to leave it there to crisp up. Now next, we're moving on to the salmon. I'm going to top it with a little soy sauce, a drizzle of some sesame oil, some lemon or lime juice, last but not least, some honey. This is going to give it a beautiful glaze while it's baking in the oven. Place your salmon into the oven. You know, salmon, it only takes about 10 to 15 minutes. We're gonna bake this at 375. Okay, and last but not least, to make this herb tahini dressing, it's quite simple. It just really makes this bowl. Once you drizzle the cucumbers with this, it is absolutely to die for. You need a 1/3 cup of this tahini. Tahini is ground sesame seeds, and it kind of tastes like peanut butter without like that sweet taste. You need about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2. The juice of a lemon or lime for the freshness. 1 teaspoon of salt. A tablespoon of honey. And the herbs I'm going to be using is some fresh mint. You need about a 1/2 cup of fresh mint and a 1/2 cup of fresh cilantro. This dressing is very thick, so you're going to need about a 1/3 cup of water just to thin it out. If you make this and store it in the fridge, it does thicken as it chills, so just go ahead and add your water and it'll be nice, and you know, you could drizzle it very easily. Alright guys, our salmon is ready. Once you're able to flake it apart with your fork, you know for sure that it's done. And our rice, look at that. You should kind of hear it like crackling. Ah, and it smells so good. The nuttiness of the brown rice is my favorite. I'm kind of tempted to flip it, but I'm seeing that it needs a little bit more to go. Let's slice our cucumber. I know this is English cucumber, but I still like to take a little bit of the skin off. Our rice is looking just about ready. If you could see the edges of the pan, you could tell the rice is a very golden brown. You could flip it over a little with your spatula to check, but I know it's done. I'm gonna turn this off and give it a flip. Voila! Look how beautiful. And then we have our beautiful salmon. Ooh, it's so juicy and delicious. We're gonna top this with some cucumbers and drizzle it with that wonderful and delicious tahini dressing. Some fresh herbs. And there we go, guys. Was that not the quickest dinner ever? Alright guys, now for the best part, the taste test. I'm one of those people that likes a little extra dressing on their stuff. Let's get a little bit of the salmon, a little bit of rice, and some cucumber. Here we go. Mmm. Whoa. This is absolutely delicious. Where do I even start? The rice, it created like this nutty, toasted taste that kind of reminds me of popcorn. It is very addicting and very crispy. The salmon, it has a little bit of a sweet, like glazed topping that goes so well with the freshness in the dressing of the cilantro and mint. I mean, this is one of the quickest dinners ever, and it might be one of the most flavorful. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out, and as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.